It is a stupid gym time. Today, I'm working on arms. Oh yeah. It used to be really hard for me to work out on my own because you're the weakest person to work out with, if you know what I mean. Like, if that makes sense. When you have another person holding you accountable, you go way harder than you normally would when you're on your own, because your brain is very easy to tell you to quit, give up, stop. It wants to be comfortable. And so for me, I've always been like that way, where like if I'm in the gym, like I can't do shit. Like I'm just barely even gonna try, because it's like no one's watching me, no one's holding me accountable. I have to hold myself accountable, but no one knows that I'm not holding myself accountable but me. And so it was like a little cheat code, and it wasn't getting me anywhere, right? Like you're not making much progress that way. So when the times I did have a trainer, shout out to my boy Peter and Ryan, back in the day, I would go way harder, because humans literally only reach up to like 40% of their potential before they give up. And that's what I read in David Goggins' book at the very beginning of last year, when I started to read his book, Can't Hurt Me. And that shit fucking struck me, bro. Like, because that's literally who I was my whole life. And so you have the power to access past that 40% on your own. You just have to fucking tell yourself that you're not done. You're not done that rep. You're not done that set. Like, you can always do more. And that's when you will grow. That's when you will get better. And so now I'm at a point in the gym now that I can push myself more than before. I can do better exercises. I can go harder. I can, force myself to keep going, even though I think I'm tired. I sound like Gary Vee. Think. But yeah, that's where everyone should get at. And it just takes time. It's a process, and I'm willing to accept that. And you never know. It could take months or years. Either way, as long as you're trying every day, that's all that matters. Always gotta put a little cologne on, even though I'm not seeing anybody. It just makes me feel good. Makes me feel fresh. Some Jimmy Choo. I love this. Just two, because I'm just in the house all day. I'm not seeing anybody from outside of my house, my family. If I were going out, though, I'd do like 3, 4, 5 sprays. But 2 is when I'm just on my own. Yeah. Hey, Cal. What did you do this morning? Huh? What were you doing this morning?
Leave my dog alone.
Huh?
Leave my dog alone.
What are you doing? Callie, are you sleeping? God, you're a good dog. You're such a little toy. Now it's time to eat lunch. Bruh. You hear that? Christ. Jesus.
They're like bones for bone broth later.
Gee. Wow. It's fucked.
So first, you roast the bones. Put the roast in a cold pot. Easy.
That's a big bitch. What is that? Like
Okay.
the head of a cow over it? So it covers it? I love editing. It brings me peace. Brings me joy. What happened? Scared of the rain? نه نمیاد.
نه میترسه بچم نموده قرون بره مادر جون
نکن. نه نگاه میکنه.
بچم وحشتی نمیکنه.
It's raining so hard. I'm gonna turn the light off. Maybe we'll see some lightning. It's gonna come, watch. Oh! You see that? Whoa! You saw that? I wore too many chains. I wore too many chains for my video and I can't get them out. We're way too many. Behind the wall.
میشه بشینی حداقل
Damn, there's just a blackout. Everything just turned off. Wi-Fi is out. I don't know what's happening here. Can't send messages, can't see any. Can't even go on anywhere. There's no Wi-Fi. What are we ever gonna do without Wi-Fi? Alright, time for me to take my vitamins. Bro, why does it always lag?